Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to see when Contact was added on Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Android phone and open the Chrome browser app. Make sure you're logged into your Google account to access your saved contacts. Step 2. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the browser and type Google Contacts. Then, press Search. Step 3. From the search results, find and tap on the first result that takes you to the official Google Contacts website. Step 4. Once you're on the Google Contacts page, look for the menu option on the side and select Stay on Web. This will display all your saved contacts in a list format. Step 5. Now, find and select the contact you want to check. Scroll down to see the detailed information. Under the contact details, you'll find the Added section, which shows the exact date the contact was added. For example, it might say added on February 28th. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to see when Contact was added on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.